have here the Blooming Jelly Women's Dressy long sleeve blouse in blue. Very, very pretty here. This one is it's an easy polished top. You can throw on really and look put together. We love the pleated front. We love the light ruffled cuffs. And this one walks the line between business casual and night out ready. So really how to care and how to wear. For a relaxed, flowy cut, it's super true to size. It's loose and it's draped. If you want it more fitted, I would definitely size down. Styling, this one is going to work perfectly tucked into jeans for casual Friday, with trousers for work, or with a mini and boots for dinner. It layers beautifully under blazers or cardigans. The fabric is a soft chiffon and it does not cling. It's light enough for all day comfort. Undergarments, a nude or a white bra, basic machine wash cold. What I do is dry it only for 5 minutes. But what we liked about this pleated front definitely hides the bra lines, and it does flatter the waist. The fabric is light and airy, perfect for those transitional seasons. And the ruffled sleeve detail makes it look elevated without any extra effort. Would I buy it again? Yes. Blooming Jelly's chiffon blouse is a dependable, definite closet piece. It is comfortable, it is classy, and it is versatile. So whether you're dressing up jeans or heading into the office, this one gives a finished feminine look with zero fuss.